First, ma'am, I am.
Oh yeah, you
telling
should
about.
you should start your reading skill first, please.
Okay. First, I am telling about opinion essay. In the opinion essay, general information and opinion essay is a formal academic essay which requires you to state your opinion, usually agree or disagree on a given topic. Second point, you need to provide reasons and supporting details to convince the examiner of your answer. And third is, there are two common approaches to write an opinion essay, one-sided and balanced. Second, one-sided approach. A one-sided essay is an essay where your opinion is completely inclined to only one side of the argument, which means you either completely agree or completely disagree with the issue given in the topic. Second is, always give 2 to 3 reasons to support your opinion, each of which must be analyzed and supported by specific details in each of the 2 or 3 paragraphs in the body. And third is, you can also give 2 reasons to support your opinion, and third paragraph can contain the opinion with your refusions. In either case, it will be a totally agree or disagree essay.
There was no slowness. You have read it in your normal speed, Vinod. So just start it first slowly, and the second time you just read it very extreme speed as according to your ability. And next you just explain 2-3 lines with 2-3 lines what the paragraph is saying or is about. Okay, please start.
Oh, okay. First is general information and opinion. Essay is a formal academic essay which requires you to state your opinion, usually agree or disagree on a given topic. You need to provide reasons and supporting details to convince the examiner of your answer. There are two common approaches to write an opinion essay, first-sided and balanced. One-sided approach. A one-sided essay is an essay where your opinion is completely inclined to only one side of the argument, which means you either completely agree or completely disagree with the issue given in the topic. Always give 2 to 3 reasons to support your opinion, each of which must be analyzed and supported by specific details in each of the 2 or 3 paragraphs in the body. You can also give 2 reasons to support your opinion, and the third paragraph can contain the opinion with your refutation. In either case, it will totally disagree essay.
Okay, so now fast, very fast.
Okay. Opinion essay, general information. An opinion essay is a formal academic essay which requires you to state your opinion, usually agree or disagree on a given topic. You need to provide reasons and supporting details to convince the examiner of your answer. There are two common approaches to write an opinion essay, first-sided and balanced. One-sided approach, a one-sided essay is an essay where your opinion is completely inclined to only one sided of argument, which means you either completely agree or completely disagree with the issue given in the topic. Always give 2 to 3 reasons to support your opinion, each of which must be analyzed and supported by specific details in each of the 2 or 3 paragraphs in the body. You can also give 2 to 3 reasons to support your opinion, and the third paragraph can contain the opinion with your refutation. In either case, it will be a totally agree or disagree essay.
Very good. Nice speed. Now you just 2-3, only 1 or 2 lines. You just explain what the paragraph is about.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, it's paragraph about on a essay. Essay is a part of a writing session of IELTS exam. In essay, examiner will give a topic, and we wrote on topic like if we are agree or we are disagree on the topic. If we are agree, we wrote on 2 to 3 paragraphs. But if we are disagree about this paragraph, we always write reasons of the 2 to 3 paragraphs.
Yeah, very good. Brilliant. Very good, dear. Very good. So now, Karan, you start your reading, and 3 times you should read, and after that we should discuss the paragraph, whatever it's your reading is. Okay, so please start your answer.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he returned everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. Yeah, ma'am.
Very
That
good
will try
reading
to-
topic. Your choice is very nice. Your reading topic was very good, very nice, very good experience. We are learning something very good from here, extraordinary. So please read it once more.
Okay, ma'am. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in a German city of Ulm without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed too much large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. And Einstein did not know what to do with other children. That's why his playmates called him Brother Boring.
Now faster, as soon as
Okay,
can
ma'am.
as you can.
Okay, ma'am. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in German city of Ulm. Without any indication, he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To his head seemed too much large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to talk, he uttered everything twice. Albert Einstein did not know what to do with other children. That's why his playmates called him Brother Boring.
Okay, very good. Now experience your sharing
Okay.
with.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this paragraph, it was written that Albert Einstein was born on 14 March of 1879, and he was born in German city. He was born in a city of German that is called Ulm. When he was born, his head was too much large. That's why his mother thought that he was a freak. After when his age became to 2.5, Einstein wasn't talking properly. Einstein wasn't talking. When he finally learned to talk, then he said the sentence with 2 times and twice the sentence. At that time he did not know that what to tell with their playmates or classmates. That's why his classmates called him Brother Boring, because he was very boring. He didn't tell anything to anyone.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Nice. Now our reading part is over. Thank you for. Or physical shopping or online shopping, which is better for you, you think, and why it is so?
Okay, ma'am. But by my side, ma'am, offline shopping, ma'am, means physical shopping is better than online shopping. Ma'am, because in the shopping mall we know all the prices, that how much discount is going on, and in the online market, there sometimes it show high price, and we can check in in physical market that how much price is that if in online market some if less than in online market, then we should buy. And in online market we don't, when we are ordering anything from the online market, we don't get the quality of, we don't know the quality at how much quality we are expecting and how much quality it has. And in the physical market, when we are buying anything, the product is in the front of our eyes, and we see how much is quality is good. That's why I only prefer, from my side, I only prefer physical shopping, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You have shared your experience. That's very nice, Karan. Now, same question for Vinod. Please answer me, Vinod.
I mean, my thought physically shopping is better, much more from online shopping, because sometimes we will do online shopping, but we have no idea who is shopkeeper and what is the quality of clothes, of grocery. They also mention, but we have no idea. We cannot check the parameters of the quality. But when we go physically in the market, first we have made our strong bondness with shopkeeper, and our relationship are much stronger with shopkeeper. And sometimes when we will go for shopping for clothes, we will go with our family, our friends, and friends, and we can spend much more times with our family, with our friends, like in market, for cloth shoppings, for grocery shoppings, for home shoppings. And I think if we are in our if we are in our bad time, then if our bondness is very stronger for and our behavior is very good from shopkeeper, then they will also help us. But on online shopping, they don't know who is me, and I don't know who is there and who is owner. That's why, ma'am, I refer first for physical shopping.
Okay, very good. You have answered your thoughts and experiences, and also you have given us some reasons why this is so. That's very good. Your communication is really great, very good, improving. Both of you are carrying, but I need more details. You should not be stopped just within 2 minutes or 1 minute and 1.5 minutes. You should grow your time of sharing your thoughts. This is the main thing. You should enjoy your presentation. That's really very important. Okay, that's speaking part is over now. Next part is reading part. So, do you have any book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please take the book and just read only 2 paragraphs, and first time slowly, next time a bit speed should be there, and the third time you should be very speed. You should have very extreme speed that you can do it. So all of you, please ready with your paragraphs, with your reading skills and all. Vinod, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your prompt response. So Vinod, you start please first.
Okay, ma'am. Let's start.
3 times slowly, a bit speed, and the extreme speed.